Hello! In this video, we will learn how to design a 3D object using Tinkercad and submit it to Barrington Area Library to be 3D printed. Tinkercad is a great 3D design tool for beginners and kids. It is based on the web, so no download is required. Simply visit www.tinkercad.com. To use Tinkercad, you must create an account by providing a valid email address. To do this, click Sign Up and provide the requested information. If you already have an account, click Sign In. I've already signed in and am viewing my dashboard. In the dashboard area, there are links to the Gallery, Community, Learn area, and Teach area. In the Learn area, there are tutorials and simple projects that have step-by-step instructions, making it easy to get started. In this tutorial, we will create a new design and learn how to build a simple object, a house. To get started, click and drag the red box onto the workplane. To make it a house, we will also need a roof. Click and drag the roof shape onto the workplane. We will need to raise up this roof shape to be on top of the red box. To do this, we have two options. First, we can select the roof by clicking on it once, then clicking the top black cone and dragging it up or down to the desired height, and then dragging it on top of the house. It can be hard to tell if the roof is actually aligned over the box, so we can change our view to get a different perspective. We can do this by moving the view cube in the top corner. It looks like mine is way off, so the second method for placing the roof might be easier. I'm going to delete the first roof shape by clicking the Delete key on my keyboard. Then I'm going to click the Workplane tool. This allows me to change where my workplane is in relation to an object. I'm going to make my workplane align with the top of the box. Now I can click and drag the roof shape again on top of the box and it will be at the correct height. To get the workplane back to normal, click Workplane and click off to the side. This time my roof is at the correct height that it needs to be to make a house, but it's not correctly aligned. Luckily, Tinkercad has a nifty alignment tool to help. To align the shapes, select both by clicking and dragging a box around both objects. I know I have selected both because this area now says Shapes 2. Now I'm going to click the Alignment tool. This allows me to position objects in relation to one another on the X, Y, and Z axes. I want to align mine on the X and Y axis. When I'm finished, I can click away. Now it looks like my roof is perfectly positioned on top of the box to make a house. The last step is to group the objects together. To do this, I select both and click Group. In Tinkercad, files are saved automatically. But to export a file for 3D printing, you must click Export. Then choose the file type. Both OBJ and STL work for printing at Barrington Area Library, but I'm going to choose STL. Next, visit the Barrington Area website at www.balibrary.org and then navigate to the Maker Lab page. Scroll down until you see the picture of the 3D printer. Then choose Fill out this form. Enter the required information and attach the 3D file that you have downloaded. Thank you for watching and happy designing.